welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some of my Instagram secrets with you. I thought it would be fun to show you how I take my Instagram photos and how I edit them. So if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Also, why not go and follow me on Instagram and see what this is all about, and follow me on there. It's at @AlohaAiley_. So the first thing that I do when I go to take an Instagram is I check my notebook and see what images I'm going to be posting today. So I try and plan my posts because I want to make sure that I feature everything that I love and everything cute and pink, and I find the best way to do that is by noting down what images and what products I'm going to show. So one day I might do a flat lay featuring some Ted Baker things or some Victoria's Secret products, and then another day I might do an outfit post or a picture of my makeup. So I like to plan ahead and just kind of have those images ready. So I check my notebook and I see what I'm going to be posting today. And today I'm featuring some cute Ted Baker things. So I'm going to be showing this dress. So it actually still has the tags on it, but I got this dress for Christmas and I haven't worn it yet. I'm saving it for a wedding, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's from Ted Baker, it's baby pink lace. I'm also going to be showing the accessories, which I will be pairing with. I'm posting this bag alongside this dress because this is the bag that I would match with this dress anyway. I got this for my 21st birthday and I think it's the prettiest bag ever. It's got beautiful cherry blossom embroidered onto it, rose gold hardware. It's honestly the prettiest bag ever. I'm also going to show the perfume, which I really love, which is Daisy Marc Jacobs. It's a pretty pink bottle and I think it would look really nice in this flat lay. So I'm going to feature that, and also I think some rose gold jewellery. So quickly, just to mention lighting. So for the lighting for my images, I just hold this mirror. So this mirror that's behind me that I use for my makeup, I normally just hold that above my photos and use that as a ring light. I also use this, it actually was on my camera right now, but this is a little light. It looks like a cat and it's baby pink, and so I just clip this little selfie light onto my phone, and I normally put it to this light here. It's a kind of in between warm and cool, and I just pop that and take my photo like that. So yeah. So the first thing that I do is I go into my photos and see what photo I'm going to actually use. So I think that one has cut off too much of the dress. I think that's quite nice, so I'm going to set that one. So once I've decided on what photo I would like, I then go in and go into VSCO. So I open that up and I pick the last image. I do C1 plus 3. This is just something that I always do. Then I go into the exposure, and this is where it makes all the difference. So I normally up the exposure to about 1, but I feel like it could go more here. 0.2 for this image. And then I can mess about with the contrast. So I think I will actually take the contrast down just slightly. Make it about -0.5, and then I go into the white balance bit. This is when I really see a difference. So I normally kind of cool the temperature down a little bit, so that's obviously quite cool. That's quite a lot, but I'm going to take it to about -2, I think. A little bit more pink, so I'm going to put it to about 1. And then once I'm happy with that, I will save it and save that to my camera roll. So then what I do is I press for the middle size of border. I like a white border around my images, and I just set it to the middle one and then just quickly save that. Then the next step is to go into live collage. I really like this app. They've started making it so that you have to pay for it to get the full version, which is kind of annoying, but I still do. But it still does the basics for me, so I just pick. So something which I always do, and I do always recommend to do, is to put your name onto your image. So I just put it in very light pink in the corner, just so that everyone can see, if they look closely, that this is an image by me, because sometimes in the past people have tried to take my images, and I know that this is very common, but I just think it's really important to get credit where credit's due, and even with my name, people have still tried to repost my photos with my name on it, but at least I can prove to Instagram if anything comes up. I can prove to Instagram this is my image, it's got my name on it, so I think that's really important. So then the final step is just to pick my image and pop it on Instagram. So I make sure that I click the right one, and I normally put a filter on it. Is it Clarendon, I think, see? And I click on that, and I think I'll go for about 70. And then I'm just going to take down that word a little bit more. And then the most important part for me is the highlights section, and I just put it in pink and just put it about 4 today, I think, maybe a bit more. And that's pretty much it, and then I just go ahead and I share it. Really, that's it. It's pretty simple how I do my photos. I just kind of try and stick to the same kind of filters for every photo and the same border, and that's how I keep my pink theme. So please don't forget to check out my other videos if you enjoyed this one, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!